How to activate Lloyd's Bank credit and debit cards. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to activate your Lloyd's Bank credit or debit card in just a few simple steps. So first, log into your Lloyd's account. Open the Lloyd's Bank app or visit www.lloydsbank.com. Sign in with your credentials. Tap on Manage Card at the bottom of the screen, then select View Card Details and choose the card that you want to activate. Tap Activate and verify your card details. Once confirmed, your card will be activated and ready for transactions. And that's it. Your Lloyds Bank card is now ready to use. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.